today we're gonna take care of this little buddy bear.
Aww.
I named him Buddy.
Nice.
First, the thing you do with it is you put some medicine in. He drinks it.
Medicine, okay.
Then, after the medicine, have some iced tea. You stir it up with the spoon.
Okay.
Then, you drink it. And that's our demo.
That's your demo of your little baby. I think this is a generation doll bear, right?
Yeah.
What is your bear called?
I named it, well, it didn't have a name, so you get to name it.
Did you call it Buddy Bear?
I called it Buddy Bear.
So cute. Thanks for sharing.